You know what? I don't recall any of these department heads saying, no, 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 that 8% raise is way too much for me this year. So they all had their hands out when the money was good. And now that it's tight, I absolutely agree that they're all doing this. And what upsets me more than anything, and I told you I was going to bring it up and you told me not to, but too bad, is that we have a group of department heads that, out of fear of what our personnel board may be doing in a proposed contract, are threatening to unionize. And I'm sorry, but I think that these people that are making, you know, $85,000, $90,000, $95,000, high school education, aren't doing their jobs, have shortchanged us in, sorry, I'll stop going through them, shortchanged us in enforcement of zoning, in financial issues, in hiring outside engineering consultants, that we're paying through the nose on this, and that they have the audacity to say, if you cut my salary, we're going to sue you, and that if you threaten to take away our, well, I don't know, 8 weeks vacation or 6 weeks vacation and trim that back, we're gonna jump into a union to try to protect ourselves so we can continue not to do our jobs, so we can continue to treat the people of this town like garbage and like a free meal ticket, because that's what they're doing. And I know they hate this board, but you know what? This board represents the people of this town. This board represents their bosses. And it makes me sick. And every one of them, I'll say it to their face, that it makes me sick that this is the way they are. And believe me, every one of them, it will be addressed, whether it's through the unionizing, whether it's through the personnel plan, they will be addressed.